Hello all. This is taken at Chennai Manampakam Internal Residence Casa Grande outside apartment. So this is the day before the cyclone, and we can see the severe rain. Even our balcony in the first floor, the private terrace, is a little bit flooded, and the rain is quite heavy today. And today the date is 3rd of December 2023. Good rains here at Chennai, and you can see a lot of rainwater, and it's a beautiful climate here in Chennai. Signing off. Bye bye. See you in a later update later tonight or tomorrow morning. Bye bye.